Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also show solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Now, today, celebration. World Humanitarian Day. Theme: honoring humanitarian efforts. World Humanitarian Day. What if I told you that one small act of kindness could ripple across the world and save a life? Today isn't just another day. It's World Humanitarian Day. And in the next few minutes, we're diving into stories that will move you, challenge you, and maybe even change you. Stay tuned to the end. The most powerful story is at the end, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. On World Humanitarian Day, we come together to recognize the remarkable contributions of both individuals and governments who dedicate their efforts to helping those in need. Humanitarian workers from non-governmental organizations, NGOs, to government ministries play a crucial role in providing aid, care, and support to people facing crises like natural disasters, conflict, and extreme poverty. In countries like Nigeria, the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development works alongside NGOs and community groups to ensure that vulnerable populations receive the help they need. Governments around the world are instrumental in coordinating large-scale relief efforts and ensuring that aid reaches those who need it most. Humanitarian work is about much more than just providing food or shelter. It's about restoring hope and rebuilding lives. This day encourages us all to appreciate and support the many people, including government leaders and workers, who dedicate their lives to humanitarian service. The testimony of two inspiring individuals. Testimony 1. Tosin, a beneficiary of humanitarian aid in Nigeria. After the flood devastated our region, it felt like there was no hope left. My family and I lost everything. But then the government, through the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, came to our aid. They brought food, medical supplies, and even psychological support to help us cope with the trauma. The government didn't just help us survive, they helped us rebuild our lives. Just a quick break. Please, if you are learning something, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebrations. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimony 2. John, a government worker involved in disaster response. I joined the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs because I wanted to make a difference. Over the years, I've witnessed firsthand how government programs have helped people in times of crisis. Seeing the positive impact of these programs motivates me every day to continue serving my country and my people. Thanking the unsung heroes. Today, we also express our heartfelt gratitude to the unsung heroes, humanitarian workers, both from governments and NGOs, who work tirelessly to improve the lives of people in need. These dedicated individuals often put their own safety aside, especially in times of conflict or disaster, to provide life-saving support. We are grateful for their selfless dedication and unwavering commitment to humanity. To those who haven't yet thought about engaging in humanitarian work, whether through government service or volunteering with NGOs, now is the time to get involved. Whether it's providing support during a natural disaster, working on social development projects, or offering a helping hand to those in need, every action counts. Governments and organizations need people like you to continue the work of building strong, resilient communities. Together, we can create a world where no one is left behind. Happy World Humanitarian Day. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes who support victims of natural disaster. I hope you gain some valuable insight from today's solidarity. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring content. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbatera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. 22nd August, International Day of commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief. 23rd August, International Day for the remembrance of the slave trade and its abolition. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.